video is about my loving, darling wife just now opening up.
Hey guys, it's Kelly and
I'm behind the camera, guys.
Somebody is making me ice down some cupcakes, what we had left over from her mom's birthday party today. So I am going to quickly ice, what is it, 7 cupcakes for her. She's not gonna eat all 7 of these cupcakes, guys.
Definitely
I am probably going to share some with my coworker because it was her birthday. We just want to share that with you all. One of these days, I am going to do how to bake red velvet cupcakes and make your own cream cheese icing. You guys also know I have a YouTube channel. I haven't put that much content on there, but it's Kel's Cakes and Cupcakes, or you can follow me on Instagram, Kel's Cakes and Cupcakes. That was not that perfect, but this is just for the house, so it does not have to be that perfect. And yeah, it's just that simple. You want nuts on these?
No, it's fine just the way it is.
So yeah, so her mom had a dozen of red velvet with crushed pecans and a dozen plain, and they were a hit as usual at her birthday party tonight. And we're also going to show you an unboxing we're going to shoot tonight with somebody. Can't believe I still have not opened my box of shoes.
Yeah, it's made me feel some type of way. I've worn mine twice.
She has worn her pair. She bought us both a pair, and she's worn hers twice. And I have not for no particular reason. I just really kind of forgot about them. I got a lot going on and I forgot about them. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'm gonna put these in a container, put my red velvet cupcakes in a fridge because of the cream cheese icing. You know, of course, that's fresh cream cheese and butter. I do everything from scratch, so I like to have my cupcakes refrigerated, or else they'll go bad. Okay, stay tuned.
What's up, good people? It's your girl Toya. Kelly in here somewhere. But this video is about my loving, darling wife just now opening up the J's I bought her. I think they came out the 2nd week in December. Here we are, the 2nd week in January, and she is just now opening up. So we're gonna do a little reveal of her opening up the J's I bought her, still in the box, straight from UPS. Here goes. I'm gonna turn the camera on her so y'all can see this. Hey, babe.
Hey, guys. You're being real extra to see. Yes. I got them 2nd week of December. Babe has actually worn hers, like she said earlier, twice. And yeah, I think that just been kind of sitting in the corner. I kind of sort of forgot about them. So I got myself some red bear paw boots. And I was loving them, although I only wore those once as well. But it kind of trumped the J's. But I am thankful. Thanks, baby. Why are you shaking your head? She back there shaking her head, y'all. Why you shaking your head?
No reason.
Because I said they trumped the J's.
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate it, baby. So we can be twinsies or whatever. So, guys, I am unboxing the Jordan 11s. What are these? Are breads, right?
Yep.
So I have an all red pair. Babe got us the red and black pair. They came out right before Christmas. If I could ever get this out of the box. Uh-oh. This is the return form. Where did you get these from?
Yours came from Foot Locker, I believe.
Oh, yours came from somewhere else.
I think I got my whole finish line.
yeah, guys, they're the Jordan 11 Retros. And I wear a 7. That's why you see that big old U sign on the back of the box, the belly box. So, this is the Jordan card, of course. That comes with all the J's. I recently, well, I don't want to say recently, but I've become more of a sneaker person. I do like my high heels, but not as much as I used to wear high heels or whatever. Oh, that's cute. And they're just like yours, babe.
Oh, do they?
So, guys, these are the Jordans. They're really cute. My size. Can you get that? We'll do a we're gonna wear these together. Take some twinsy photos, probably with our Black Lives Matter shirt. That's what I'm picking up. You know, always an opportunity to rep our brand, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So these are the other ones. They're real cute, baby. Thank you.
Yeah, I don't know. I had to try real hard to get her a pair because I asked her, did she want one? A pair, and she was knocked out. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna try anyway because I know she gonna say she want a pair.
Obviously, I didn't respond to yours.
No, you didn't respond. So I got me a pair, and I kept trying. I was about to give up, y'all, because y'all know how hard it is. If you're a Jordan head, if you're a sneaker head, y'all know how hard it is. I was about to give up, but I was able to get her a pair too.
So here they are in the box. I'm putting them back in the box because I would not be wearing them. We actually just got back from, like we said earlier, from Toya's mom's birthday party. Again, I like them, babe. Thank you. You're the best.
You're welcome, baby.
They're going in the closet. We'll probably wear them. I'll probably wear them. I don't know. We'll see. But, or whenever, we'll do a short little video with our twinsy look and show you guys what we decide to, or how we decide to rock them. Okay. So guys, we hope you enjoy our short video of our Jordan 11 unboxing. Maybe we should let us know down below if you guys want to see more unboxing videos. We'll be more than happy to do those for you all.
Recommendations, things we buy,
reviews.
Oh,
we could do a few of those. So yeah. Give me a kiss back. Thank you for my shoes. Guys, this is.
Man. You know, I think I'm a 3 coming out.
So thank you all for rocking with us. We love you all. We hope you all are enjoying your new year as we are.
Oh yes, been busy.
Yes, and thankful. Booked and busy. Busy and booked. So anyway, guys, like always, live life boldly.